In this video, I will show you 5 ways to make money online just by searching on Google, which is one of the easiest ways to make money from home. So the first platform we have here is called macroworkers.com, and here you can find different micro tasks that you can complete and earn money. Complete these jobs, they also accept people all over the world. So it doesn't matter where you are from. So first you want to create an account. The registration process is very easy. Just press the register option and then fill this easy information. Here email, name, yourself and stuff like that. Then click on submit so you can click on jobs, and then it will show you the available jobs and you can do any of them. You have everything like completing surveys and searches on different websites and also get paid for Google searches. It may not pay a lot of money for jobs, but don't worry, I'll show you 5 different methods in this video, and I'll start with the low paying methods. I'll start with the highest paying methods. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Look for the second way how you can make money online with Google searches. You want to go to this platform called search.which.com. It's also completely free and you don't need any experience to start making money. And basically what this platform does is it charges other companies and websites to help them rank higher on Google, and your job here is to search on Google for the names of these websites and then click on them to help them rank higher on Google. So basically your job is to help websites rank higher, and that's how you'll earn money here. And what I like about this site is that the minimum payout is only $5. It's very easy to make, so you don't have to wait for days to withdraw your money, and when you reach $5 it will be automatically sent to your PayPal account. Now the third method is where you can actually make more money, because we are going to be selling through Google search. So pay attention to me, because if you do it the way I'm going to show you, you can make thousands of dollars. So basically what you have to do is go to Google and search for businesses. For example, you could search for something like a gym in California, or hair salon in London, or a cafe shop in Malaysia, or something like that. Then you want to find something that aren't in the first result, so you want to scroll down, go and select page 2 or page 3. Now all these websites are not ranked here on page 1, so they are losing a lot of customers. Our job now is to help them rank higher in search. It could be any business. It doesn't matter which site, you just click on their website and you will find their contact information somewhere on the website. For example, you can email right here, and all you have to do is email them, and one of them tools that can help them rank higher in search. The name of this website is mangles.com. They help website with competition and stuff like that. And if you scroll down, you'll see they work with some of the biggest companies in the world, like Adidas, and now all you have to do is scroll down and click here, and it says affiliate program, and you can sign up with them to get your affiliate link. And as you can see here, when you refer someone, you get 30% lifetime commission as long as that business continue to use guide to rank on Google. So the fourth way to make money online searching on Google is to use responders.io. You can actually get paid up to $700 an hour, and the reason they pay that much is because they have big companies like Microsoft and Dropbox here to going to this website to help them with their research. But this particular method is not as easy as the previous methods because it requires more work, because you have to do a lot of Google searches. Here, as you can get more information if you click on the participants here, you can see exactly how much you can earn. So if you're a software developer, you can get paid around $200 an hour. If you're a marketer, you'll get paid $150 an hour. If you're a business owner, $500 an hour you will be paid. But let's move on to the final website, which is my favorite because it was where I personally was able to create some cool stuff. The name of this website is mindsumo.com, and now pay attention as I show you my strategy. This website is 100% real. It's actually quite easy, as you can see here. That is says providing innovative ideas to the world's top brands. So basically we have a lot of companies that go to this website to ask questions because they want people like you and me to help them improve their company. So these are mostly their questions. They pay from $1,600, and all you have to do is to click on one of them and copy the question. Then Google it and find some related answers, then come back here to post those answers. So make sure you create your account first and start answering a lot of questions. The more answers and articles you post, the better your luck, you have more to earn. Now, if you want to make good money without doing any work, all the methods we talked about in this video require some kind of work. So I suggest you watch the suggest video.